Hello, I'm Dennis with doityourselfdennis.com, and in this short video I'm going to show you how to adjust a strike plate. The door is hard to shut. You got to pull it to make it shut all the way, and the reason that is the door is actually warped a little bit. It's touching at the top and at the bottom, but it's not touching in the middle here. So what we're going to do, there's already a strike plate on there. We've replaced this door is what's kind of transpired here. So the strike plate was already there. So the first thing we're going to do, well, a couple things you're going to need is some golf tees, some wooden golf tees. You need to get wooden ones, not plastic. A small drill bit, cordless drill or a regular drill, either one. You might need a pair of pliers and a hammer. So first we're going to take the strike plate off. Then we're going to take our golf tees and we're going to smack them into the holes. Then you're going to break them off. You may or may not need a pair of pliers to break them off, but they broke off pretty easy. And we're going to kind of knock them in the rest of the way so they're flattened out. Then we're going to drill another hole. We're going to drill it out a little bit further so that it comes away. We're just kind of guessing at this point as to how much we need to adjust it. It won't need a whole lot of adjustment, but then we're just going to put our screws back in the holes that we drilled. And we'll check to see how it shuts now. Much better. So now it shuts like it should. Thanks for watching, and check out my other videos at doityourselfdennis.com, and thanks again for watching.